Good morning, guys! So, this is my first vlog. Ang ganda ng weather today dito sa UK. I will show you outside. Ito yung labas namin. Yan, ganda ng panahon today. Thank you, Lord. Last few days, masama yung weather. Pero today, ang ganda-ganda ng weather. Thank you, Lord. And kakagising ko lang, alas 9 na. Meron akong pasok like around 9:30 today. So today is Friday. So mag-work tayo. Magtitimpla lang ako ng Ito yung pala yung iniinom ko na coconut water. Ito yung binibili ko sa Alde. Ito yung favorite ko. So magtitimpla lang ako ng gatas today. So, ang ginagawa ko pala, pag nagtimpla ko ng gatas, kasi ito yung gatas na dito, na iniinom ko. So, nilalagay ko lang dito. Tapos, microwave. So, nilalagay ko lang siya sa microwave, guys. Nilalagay ko lang siya sa microwave. Tapos, sineset ko lang ito. Mag-work tayo today, guys. From 9:30 to 8 p.m. So, longer hours ako kasi 4 days lang yung work ko. So, I work permanently weekends. So, Friday, weekends, and Monday. So, 4 days lang. Pero, longer hours yung Friday natin at saka Monday. Break time ko na. So, only 15 minutes break time. Very busy kami today. Oh my God! Nagasubong pa ni Ma. Sakit dito na akong dila. Oh my God, oh my God. Anyways, so break time ko 15 minutes lang. Mag-chill-chill lang siya dito. I think, mumugan ko siya ng asin para mawala siya. Sakit talaga. Few days na to. Parang hindi ako makapagsalita ng maayos. Nag-uusap pa naman ako sa customer. Hindi ako makapagsalita ng maayos kasi yung dila ko. Mayroon ko. By the way, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung niluto ko kahapon. Pero hindi siya masarap. Kuhan ko kung ano nangyari ito. Tinola yan. At saka, yan. Ako lang yan mag-isa kakain mamaya. Pag humumog lang ako ng asin kasi yung uma. Tingnan natin ang asin yan. Punta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. Hindi na ako mag-work sa bahay ng mama niya. Para kasi gusto niyang matulog doon. So, love, I will bring my water or no na?
Just take a bottle of water from the fridge.
Not this one.
So I don't know if my mum will turn the fridge on.
Okay. Wow, that's nice. Taking first vlog. See, that's the one that I wanted to do as well, love.
Yeah.
You should move it. Did I close it?
Sorry?
Did I close it? You're big quick, innit? Yeah?
Be quick.
Yeah. That one to send out. I will not go out with you, yeah? You know that.
Where?
To send that one.
That'll be quicker if you do.
Why?
Because I'll have to park.
Oh God, love.
Whereas if I drop you off, you can run in.
Oh my God, I didn't expect that.
And I'll send them.
Because my computer went off. So we're going now, guys, to mom's place. Pero ito-drop ko pa yung eBay niya. Nag-eBay siya. Wala mo pa nung ginambal ko? Na? Do you know what I'm talking about?
No, we're Filipino, right?
Yeah, that's why I'm doing that, so that you will not understand. So magda-drop lang kami ng eBay yun ng mga orders. So nice.
I'll just say, can I send these? She'll scan them and give you a receipt.
What I'm gonna say now? What I'm gonna say now?
It's good. Can I send these? If post office counters closed, go to Tilda, yeah.
Why do loads of people?
What? Get a receipt.
Yeah, I want to give it to you. I just put it in here.
Thank you.
I need to open my laptop now.
I'll treat you on holiday.
What? You gonna treat me on holiday? You already treat me. You book everything, yeah? Because I'm alone, I'm so tired. This is my first vlog. Yay! I'll do this. Dito tayo ngayon sa bahay ng mama ng asawa ko. Dito ako sa bahay ng mother-in-law ko pero wala siya dito. Pumunta kami dito ng asawa ko kasi nainitan siya sa flat namin. Dito daw medyo malamig. So, sabi ko, sasama na lang ako doon ako mag-work. Kaya yun. Dito tayo today. Oh my God. Hindi ako makapagsalita. Still, sakit pa rin. Nandila ko guys, sakit niya. Book tayo ng ticket for the castle kasi yung plan ko is pupunta kami ng castle sa aming ano ba tawag to? sa aming wedding anniversary namin next week, 24th. Pero, ilalagay ko siya on the 23rd para makalabas pa kami ng 24th. Kaya, let's go. Mag-book lang ako dito. Time check. What is the time now? 7:48. 7:48. We're going back home. Not like me. Not the tonsils now, love. It's because of this it makes me so strong. No? Okay?
Probably been bitten without not knowing. Or
Yeah.
something hot.
No, I did it. You remember that we are eating candy and it's really stretchy. I could do it. And then I beat it.
Decide on that boring thing to do this weekend. You can become my Friday night. His details new contrast in the
You'll find music for every mood and every moment. Search Rail in your app store to get started and play more with Rail.
Indeed presents hires you can't afford to get rid of, like warehouse operations manager. Where are the forklifts?
I sold them. They were too expensive. I got a great deal on this.
It's switched automatically to urban. Hi guys, kakauwi lang namin. Pinilan ako ng asawa ko ng banjela para daw sa singaw to. So, try natin to every 3 hours. So, hopefully tomorrow, I'll be fine na. Ito siya. So, try natin siya. Hopefully, oh my god, ang sakit na ng singaw ko. So, for our first vlog, ito na lang muna. See you for the next one. Bye!